I made this video about this split keyboard. It's an RP2040 something. I bought it on eBay from China. This one. As you can see, it's a QMK/VIAL keyboard. I have no idea what this stuff means, but that's why I made this video, so I remember it.
VIAL and QMK are both powerful firmware platforms used for programming and customizing mechanical keyboards. Here's a breakdown of each. QMK, Quantum Mechanical Keyboard. QMK is a popular open-source keyboard firmware that allows deep customization of your keyboard's behavior. Key features. Layers, multiple layouts you can switch between, like function layers. Macros, program key combinations or sequences. Tap versus one key can do different things when tapped versus held. Custom key maps define what every key does. RGB control, mouse keys, and more. How it works. You write or edit a keymap.c file and compile the firmware. Flash it to your keyboard using tools like QMK Toolbox. Best for advanced users who want full control, developers comfortable with a bit of coding, C language. VIAL is a fork of QMK that adds a real-time graphical interface for configuring your keyboard. No need to recompile firmware every time you make a change. Key features. GUI configuration. Map keys, layers, and macros using the VIAL GUI app. Dynamic remapping. Change key behavior instantly without reflashing. Tap dance, combos, hold taps, etc. all editable in the app. Password protection and EEPROM encryption for security. Best for users who want the power of QMK but with a friendly real-time interface. Tinkerers and power users who prefer visual tools over code.
So, thank you ChatGPT. Here is the download thing. It's an app image. As you can see, I already downloaded it. Forgive me for my poor setup here. But I then make it executable and execute it. It takes a while to start up, and then it says something about you have to make some UDEV rules, which I really don't know what it is, so I'm gonna ask ChatGPT about that stuff also. Oh, by the way, yeah. I read about it here before. It's for setting up on the Linux. I don't know how you'd set it up in Windows. I guess you can just ask ChatGPT how to do it. But this is all the stuff about the UDEV rules on Linux. I'm just gonna copy the whole thing and paste it into ChatGPT and ask what to do, basically. Yeah, as you can see, some commands. I have no idea what this is. It doesn't feel good, but apparently this is necessary for making it work. So I guess we have to do some of this stuff. Just copy this top command right there. Execute that command and then should be good to go, basically. Oh, I remember this command as well, yeah. Alright. I know my setup is not really very good, but this is what I have when I make videos, to not kind of reveal anything, private details and stuff like that. And here's the Here's the program when it runs, the VIAL program. It's pretty pretty easy actually when you kind of mess around with it a little bit. In this video I'm not gonna be messing around with it that much. I'm just gonna kind of show it right here, if I could get a hold of it. As you can see, this looks pretty much like my keyboard setup. The top one, and then the bottom one is the one you can kind of use the bottom one to click on the top one, and then click on which key you want to associate with that top button keyboard. Oh, what happened here? Right. So I click on the top keyboard there. For example, yeah, that key right there. Dude. Oh man, I'm messing around. Oh, okay. Apparently I wanted to show that these are all the different keyboards. Man, this takes forever. I'm not gonna edit this video really because I don't have the time and energy to do it. I hope this will be useful no matter what. Yeah, I think now I'm getting around to it. Yeah, I click on the U key and then click on the up key, and as you can see, the U key turns into the up key, and I can just turn it back and it immediately transfers to the keyboard. It's pretty cool. It works really well. I can change the keys like that, and you can do a lot of other things, but I think that's easy to find instructions on how to do the rest of the setup on the internet. You can really easily find stuff for that. There are different settings you need to set, but yeah, I'm not gonna go over them in this one. As you can see here, I kind of have a layer where I have the Vim keys or the arrow keys set up as kind of like the Vim keys, so I can hold down escape and then use the Vim keys. Alright, that's all for this one. No, this is not really a good video, but I mainly make this for myself so I can remember how to do this in the future. I hope maybe some other people will also benefit from this. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day, evening, morning, wherever you are. Take care.